Mom, do you know how to make a gingerbread house or not?
I see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Who told you to get that? What? Give me that. What? Oh, poor baby. I thought I did and I forgot I put it in the bag. I got a margarita and some chicken tenders.
And your beautiful mother.
Girl.
You a hater. You don't ever give me no food. Give your mama food.
I'm being a little childish today.
Who?
Me. At the chicken tenders.
But I can have chicken tenders.
Oh yeah, here. So it's still hot though. Got August a sweet potato. Here. So we just left the restaurant. I'm on my way in the house. I had a few drinks and some chicken tenders. But I had a good time. They're actually about to shut stuff back down in Maryland, so we're not going to be able to go sit in restaurants by next week. Everything will be shut back down. So this corona shit is so annoying. It's in the way at this point. Like at this point, I'm over it. I'm sick of it. Like it could just go away now. But yeah, I'm on my way in the house. This will probably be the end of vlogging for today. Hey y'all, back with another day of vlogging. Today I have the kids with me, and we just left FedEx and we ran into Old Navy really quick just to see if they have some Christmas pajamas. There's not really many Christmas pajamas options this year, so I've been having a hard time finding them. I actually found us some, but then the ones I got for Ava were too small. Ava's a little taller than most kids her age, so they fit, they just weren't long enough. So I have to exchange hers. So I'm probably gonna have to do some running around to try and find the same ones, but in a different size. I may can order them when they get here in time. But we are running some errands today. We are about to run to the grocery store. We are doing gingerbread houses later. Ava, are you excited?
I'm gonna do it now.
You gonna do it in the car?
Yeah.
In the car?
Mhm.
Okay. Yeah. You're so annoying.
I'm not.
But yeah, we're gonna do gingerbread houses later, and I have another surprise for Ava. It's gonna be content for my channel, but it's like she's gonna be excited to do it. So I haven't told her that we're doing it yet. We're only gonna be able to do it though if August takes a nap, because we will not be able to do it if he is awake. So yeah, we're gonna run some errands. So grocery store, I need to stop by the store and pick up something, and then we will be going back in the house to do gingerbread. But yeah, it's actually a really nice day. Like I told you guys in the last Vlogmas, that Maryland weather is crazy. One day it could be freezing cold, next day it could be hot, one day it could be snowing, next day it could be really nice weather. So I don't know what's going on, but it's really nice today. Like I literally have on, as y'all can see, a tank top bodysuit and a jean jacket, and I'm perfect. Like we have the gingerbread, of course. We have white icing. We have red icing. We have little gumdrops, and then little sprinkles and little hard, like little candies. Some signs that can go on the houses too for the village, to guess, like, you know, name the little houses or whatever. So me and Ava are both gonna do 2 houses each for the village, and then we'll probably do the card together. Do you want to make it a competition?
Yeah.
So who can make the best house? Who can make the most prettiest house? Yeah. How you know if you're gonna win? I might win.
I like gingerbread houses too.
But mine's gonna be better than yours.
No, it's
Yes, it is.
not. No, it's not.
So,
You skip popping.
all right, girl, you're doing too much. Like what?
I say yes, skip
I promise y'all, I do not teach her this. I don't know where she gets it from. These go. I think you put them in the wrong side. Huh? What the?
Mommy, you're funny.
I'm funny. I think. Yo, this is confusing as hell. This does not fit here. It does not.
Mommy, do you know how to make a gingerbread house or not?
Yo, this is the most confusing gingerbread I've ever done in my life. Like,
This is not hard for me.
Girl, I'm doing all the work for you. Because I put it on the gingerbread houses. But we did it. We did it. We did it. Okay.
Mom, you shouldn't just use the scissors.
No, I don't want the candy to roll. What did you just do? You did something. I'm gonna catch you on camera regardless, so.
How did you know I did?
Because I know you. You're my child. I know when you're doing something. You looked at me funny as soon as I turned around.
I did this real quick and then ate it.
Good thing we're not eating these because you probably got your spit all over it.
I didn't. You mean this?
Your gingerbread house because you keep licking it.
I did not lick this. I only licked the icing.
Now this is the challenge.
I'm gonna win.
I'm gonna win.
I'm gonna win.
No, I'm gonna win.
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 I'm gonna win. Because I'm gonna get the chocolate crown.
What chocolate crown? Alright, so this part will be sped up while we're decorating because I'm gonna play some music.
She always be on her phone when we do stuff.
Girl. Pause the music.
Let me tell them what I did. I did yellow, green, and blue, red, yellow and green, and red, blue.
That was creative,
And these
Ava.
are-
You want to get some sprinkles and maybe throw some sprinkles on it?
Yeah. This one?
Yeah. And just kind of throw them on there. Oh, wait. Not on the floor.
Let me just put them there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Make it more festive.
That's pretty?
Yeah.
Wait, festive mean pretty?
Festive just means like more in the spirit. More, I don't know. Lively.
Make it a little bit. Oops.
All right, I think that's enough. You're kind of overdoing it now. Why don't you put some at the bottom?
Oh, cool.
What'd you just eat? One of the gumdrops? Yeah.
Yeah. I eat those.
I don't eat gingerbread. I don't eat gingerbread candy because I be feeling like that candy sits in that box all year long. So I don't eat no gingerbread candy. I don't eat the gingerbread. I don't eat none of this. I just do it for the funness of it. All right, that's it. That's it. You're getting sprinkles all over the floor. I don't know why my mount thing did that. Okay, we're about to show you guys our results. And then we'll get to see who won.
Remember, it's time.
She trying to cheat and make me. She trying to cheat and make me say it was a tie because she wanted me to help her with hers.
Because I wanted mine to be prettier.
So, we finished.
Finish.
These two in the center are mine. And then these two on the outside are Ava's.
No, this one is
No,
yours.
this is mine, and this one is yours.
No, you.
This is mine.
I know. I'm saying this is yours.
That's what I said. I said these two are mine, and then these two are yours.
I know. You just said that.
Oh my god. Anyways, we finished. These are our houses. You guys can comment down below and tell us who won. Or if it's a tie. Y'all can let us know. Because if it's a tie, it's a tie. But if not, let us know who won down below in the comments, okay? This is the little Christmas tree. Ava did this on her own. So maybe Ava gets a little extra points for this.
Yes.
Because she did the Christmas tree by herself. But we are done. I am over it. As you can see, I'm a mess. This will be the end of our gingerbread activity. I have a lot of cleaning up to do. But yeah, this was fun. Ava, you gonna say bye? She's over there squeezing the icing on her finger and eating it.
Bye. Bye.
So I cut some chicken breasts in half. And then I got some shrimp. I'm gonna make chicken and shrimp Cajun pasta tonight. So these are some of the seasonings that I'm gonna use just to get the protein going. So the chicken and the shrimp. Now I'm gonna do my shrimp. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm using this little tool because when I have long nails, I don't really like to get my nails all in the food. Like if it's avoidable, I will avoid it just because I hate getting all that stuff stuck in deep down in your nail. So I'm gonna use the same thing to season my shrimp. I'm gonna cook the chicken first. Okay, y'all, so my camera had died, so now I have to record from my phone, but I'm about to flip the chicken over to let it cook on the other side.